I'm Steve Hall. It's a 78 Datsun 280z. I've owned it for about 10 years. It was a one-owner car when I bought it. Had 46,000 miles on it. And the people I talked to them and they said we just never drove it very much. Moved all over the country. And so I'm trying to do the right thing by taking care of it. Yeah, the body was in awesome shape until I got to my body shop and he said, "Where do you want me to stop?" And I said, "What do you mean?" He said, "Well, if I do everything, I'm going to paint every panel but two. It just needs a full restoration." The old ones really are, you see just a frame and then kind of a Datsun shaped pile of rust kind of around that frame. I had one when I was 19 and I've wanted one I had one wanted for about 25 years. And my son's sitting right there. He bought me, he knew I wanted one. He bought me this key fob at a flea market as a gift. And that's what kind of got my mind going after the kids are through college and get married and on their own. Then it became time for me to get my car.
So what do you got under the engine here?
It's just a 6-cylinder, 2.8 liter, fuel injected, manual transmission, which was a non-negotiable for me. It's like you look at these cars and you see, okay, the color's right, yeah, everything looks good, the price is right, and then it's an automatic, Real cars don't shift themselves, right?
Right.
So, yeah.
Awesome. So if you had to tell someone something about your car that they might not just expect from looking at it, what would that be?
There's not many of them around. I mean, you don't see very many of them, which makes it fun to drive around. People will say, what's a Datsun? Well, if you look at the engine, it says Nissan on it. So, oh, okay, they understand.